Now, success criteria 3 talks about understanding or knowing what it means that two lines are parallel. So basically, have no solution. So if they have no solution, that means that they will never intersect like these two lines and like these two equations. Now, as you know, for lines to never intersect, to be parallel, to have no solutions, they have to have the same gradient. So here we've got 3x plus 5, here we've got 3x minus 2, and they're never going to intersect. If you're given something like ax plus by equals c, well then you've got to rewrite that in terms of mx plus y equals mx plus c, which ends up being, let's rewrite this, by equals c minus ax, and then y equals c over b minus a over bx. So you've got to rewrite it so it's in this form, and then you're checking the gradients of the graphs. So as well as that, what that means is you can be throwing things like this. So we've got one graph here, y equals 2 minus kx plus 5, and then another one, y equals 2k minus 1 x plus 15. And we want to try and say that if they have no solutions, so if these two do not intersect, what does k have to equal? Well, so to find that out, what we do is we let the gradients equal each other. So I'll say 2 minus k equals 2k minus 1. And then we solve for k. So we bring this over to the other side, and we have we bring this over to the other side. So we'll have negative 3k equals negative 3. And we'll say therefore k equals 1. So if k was equal to 1, we would have 2 minus, hang on, let's go through this. So if k equals 1 here, we'd have 1x plus 5. And if k equaled 1 here, we would have 1x plus 15. So that's what we end up with there. So k has to equal 1 for there to be no solutions. Any other value of k, if k does not equal 1, well then we have one solution. In this case, we can't have an infinitely many solutions because our y-intercept is different. If it was something to do with infinitely many solutions, well then we'd have this k would be somewhere around here as well. But that's that'd be a different case at all. So we were just looking at lines that have no solutions and where things can come from that.